In this program, we will write C++ code to check for an Armstrong number. So, what is an Armstrong number? When the sum of each digit of a number raised to power of the number of digits in that number is equal to the number itself, it is an Armstrong number. Examples are 0 to 9, 153, 371, 407, 1634, etc. Let's consider 407. We first find its total digits. 407 has 3 digits. So after each digit raised to 3 is summed up, if we get 407, then it is an Armstrong number. In our program, we will first extract the last digit 7, find its power raised to 3. It is 343. We then find power of next digit 0, raised to 3. Then add it to the value of 7 cube. We next add cube of digit 4 to the sum of 0 cube, and 7 cube. The final answer is 407. So it's an Armstrong number. Now let's write the program. Here is the program code. We declare integer variables I, n, then sum with initial value 0, t, the length, and finally an array, a, of size 10, starting from a0 to a9. We next prompt the user to enter any number. I enter 407. It's stored in variable n. On line 8, we instruct to assign the value stored in n to the variable t. On line 9, we find the length of 407 using the log function. We have 3 digits, so 3 is stored in variable length. We next use the for loop to separate each of the 3 digits and to cube them. So in the loop, first I is assigned 0. It's checked if t is greater than 0, yes it is. So control executes line 12. It says, to add current value of variable sum to the power of 407 mode 10, 3, and place it back in variable sum. 407 mode 10 means, divide 407 by 10, and take the remainder as answer. So here, 7 is the remainder. Hence the expression becomes, power of 7, 3, or power of 7 raised to 3, and that is 343. This value is added to current value of sum, or 0, and the result is stored in sum. So sum now becomes 343. In program code on line 13, we divide the value of t, that is 407, by 10, and the result 40 is stored in t. For loop continues. I becomes 1. It's again checked if t is greater than 0. T is 40. So line 12 is executed again. Power of 40 mode 10, 3 is added to sum. 40 mode 10 is 0. So, 0 is cubed and result 0 is added to variable sum. Sum remains same. On line 13, t or 40 is divided by 10 and result 4 is stored in t. For loop continues. I becomes 2. Condition is checked, is t greater than 0? Yes. So line 12 is executed once again. Power of 4 mode 10, 3 is added to sum. For mode 10 is 4. So, 4 cubed, or 64 is added to variable sum. Sum becomes 407. On line 13, t or 4 is divided by 10 and result 0 is stored in t. Program control returns to the for loop header. It is checked if t is greater than 0. No, it's not. So this time, control exits the for loop. On the 15th line it is checked if value of sum is equal to value of n. Yes, they are the same in this case. Hence, statement on line 16 is executed. It's printed that 407 is Armstrong. The program ends.